Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shivani from Nanchunan, and in this video I have prepared idiom part 2 for you guys because you have been wanting this video for a while now. So in this video I'm going to tell you 15 idioms that will help you to in your daily life routine. It will be very helpful for your vocabulary. So let's get started. So the first idiom is the best of both worlds. This idiom means that you're getting two widely different enjoyment at the same time. Let me tell you it in simple words. Two different, like very different situations enjoyed at one same time. Okay, for an example, uh, if you want a cheap item, you have to compromise with the quality because you can't get the best of both worlds. You can't get a cheap item with a good quality. You have to compromise one thing because you can't get best of both worlds. So moving on to the second idiom. The second idiom is see eye to eye. This idiom means be in a full agreement. For an example, I see eye to eye with the dealer. The third idiom is when pigs fly. This idiom means this is actually a way of saying something that is never going to happen. For an example, she will clean her room when pigs will fly. This will basically means she is never going to clean her room because pigs are never gonna fly. So moving on to the fourth idiom. The fourth idiom is let the cat out of the bag. This idiom doesn't convey a meaning in simple words, but it does in idiom word. This idiom means like reveal a secret carelessly or by mistake, like revealing a secret. For an example, oh my god, did you just let the cat out of the bag? It was supposed to be a secret, you know? So the fifth idiom is feel under the weather. This idiom means like not feeling well. I'm not well. For example, sorry guys, I can't party tonight because I'm feeling under the weather. Moving on to the sixth idiom. The sixth idiom is raining cats and dogs. Like if you imagine it in the fantasy. Oh, a cat is the crowd is raining cats and dogs. But this basically means raining very heavily. For example, oh my god, it's raining cats and dogs outside. Don't go out in such a weather. Moving on to the seventh idiom. The seventh idiom is to kill two birds with one stone. This is basically the same meaning as the first one, to achieve two things at one same time. For an example, you know what? He went to London for a business trip. While being there, he also visited his relatives. Oh my god, yeah, he totally killed two birds with one stone. Moving on to the eighth idiom. The eighth idiom is to cut corners. To cut corners. This means like doing something badly so that it save time or save money. For example, you know, they always cut corners. This company always cut corners. Like they do something like bad things, like not very great work to save their time or money. Moving on to the ninth one. The ninth idiom is call it a day. This idiom means like stop working on something and just go. Like I stop working on it. For an example, I think you should probably call it a day. Yeah, I will just call it a day after I do this. Okay. And I have a similar idiom related to this, that is call it a night. This idiom also convey the same meaning as the call it a day idiom, but the difference is day and night. Like I should probably call it a night. Yeah, okay, one more hand and we will call it a night. So moving on to the 10th idiom. The 10th idiom is no pain, no gain. You will also understand it without I translating it to you, because it has a very simple meaning. But still I'm gonna translate it to you, because that's my work. This means suffering is necessary for in order to achieve something. So, for an example, it also can be used by itself. Like, you don't have to convey it in a sentence, a proper sentence. You can use it by yourself, like itself. For example, your friend don't want to study but want to be first, and you can say to him, like, let's just take a name, Aurora, no pain no gain. Like, this mean that if you use that here, this means like you have to study in order to be first, you have to suffer in order to achieve something. Okay, moving on to the 11th one, giving someone cold shoulder. It is very, very popular. Giving someone a cold shoulder, like cold shoulder. This means ignoring someone. For an example, why are you giving me a cold shoulder? Why are you ignoring me? The 12th one is the last straw. The last straw. This means the last in a series of bad things that happens to make someone upset or angry. For an example, this is the last straw. I'm gonna teach them a lesson. If someone is doing something bad, you can say that. For the 13th one, is stealing someone's thunder. Stealing someone's thunder. How can you steal a thunder? This doesn't convey meaning as it seems. This means stealing someone's credit, like taking someone else's credit. Did you just steal my thunder? Yeah, actually I did. I stole your thunder. I know you stole my thunder too. I teach you idioms and you say, I have been learning them. So you basically stole my thunder too. I'm gonna complain. Well, basically not, I'm just joking. JK, you're way cooler than that. And I know you even appreciate me. One is let someone off the hook. This means like letting someone walk away not punished even though you catched him red-handed. Okay, red-handed. If you don't know the word meaning of red-handed, it means catching someone right in the moment they are doing something bad. This is also an idiom, red-handed, catching someone red-handed. I'm telling you now, if I caught you red-handed, I'm gonna give you punishment. But anyways, just go on our idiom. Our idiom is let someone off the hook, letting someone walk away without punishing them, even though you caught them red-handed. This time I'm gonna let you off the hook. Oh my god. You wanna know why I came closer? The mosquitoes are troubling me. Like, oh my god, I'm so itchy. The one is in disguise. This one means thing that seems bad at first or unlucky at first, but results into something good happening later. This idiom means like something is bad happening to you. Oh my god, I just noticed that in this mobile I don't use it often. Like, I don't know where to look. I'm looking straight direct into the camera as I look into my mother phone. But yeah, I don't think so. It is showing that I'm looking straight. I don't know where to look. Where should I look? It keeps showing me. Should I look there? Oh my god, I can't look there. Hurting my eyes. I don't know where to look. It's showing I don't look in a straight way. But you know I'm looking straight. I hate this thing. I'm gonna repair my mother's phone and record with my mother's phone. I don't like this camera anyway. But anyways, we were on the 15th one, a blessing in disguise. Yeah. This idiom means like something that seems bad at first, but result into something happening good later. For example, losing that job was actually a blessing in disguise because I got hired by my dream company. So this was the end of this video. Hopefully you learned something, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. Bye, love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.